These guys are very persistent, so don't waste the time. Handle the transaction, give them the drugs, and get out of there immediately. Okay?
So, what do we have here?
Why? Chukilala isi wood. Ito sila tisbut.
Yeah, so it's nice doing business with you, sir.